What's that first vehicle you got?
A truck.
It's a what?
A truck.
That's a truck?
Truck.
What color is it?
Red.
Good. How about this first one that you got out?
Whistle.
It's a mixer. What color is that?
Green.
Okay. You like that mixer? Thanks, Uncle Carl.
Apple. Beer.
Brum, 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 brum. Do you need help? Do you need help or you got it? I think you got it. You don't need help. Ooh. There we go.
Truck.
Truck. Brum, 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 brum. And what's the last one? If you need help, just ask for help.
Yes, you say I need help.
Leave.
Help me.
I'm up here.
Who?
I help you?
That.
You need help?
Yeah.
Please.
Help. Help.
I can do it. Wow.
What's this? What's it called? A what? Yeah. Is it a bulldozer or a loader?
No.
And what color is it?
Orange.
Good.
Brum,
Brum, brum, brum, brum,
so
brum.
smart.
Oh, it's pushing that thing. Oh, it's pushing the box. Whoa. It pushed that box.
Listen. No, push. Do. Also. Hey, also. Stop.
Bex, you don't want to play? You're just chilling. Okay.
No.
Ooh, it's carrying the bulldozer, huh? I like that. Ooh, it's strong, huh?
Put down.
Puts down, okay.
Backward.
I think that truck can carry things too in the back. Bex is chilling. Okay. Alright. Okay, say thanks again. Thank you, Weston.
Did you up
No, Uncle Carl.
It's Uncle Carl.
Okay.
It's Uncle Carl. Ang pamunit ang tawag niya kay Uncle Carl.
Wait.
Alright, you just play now, okay?
Sean.
I just told you last